welcome to the News Hour this evening, and we have big breaking news coming in as Souvik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda have been arrested. Well, Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakrabarti have been found to be involved in drug deals. Financial trail and digital records have been nailed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. 12 transactions have been unearthed by this Narcotics Bureau, and they have been connected digitally and found to be working together. And Souvik has procured drugs from Samuel Miranda, and these drugs clearly have been ordered by someone. And that someone we'll tell you in just a bit. But the big breaking news, Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakrabarti have been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. 12 transactions with their digital records have been caught by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and that has been nailed. And it is this that has led to the arrest of both Souvik Chakrabarti, Riya Chakrabarti's brother, and of course the associate Samuel Miranda, who had been changing his statements time and again. Not just this, we have other big breaking news coming in at this moment, and that is the involvement of Riya Chakrabarti. Riya's credit card has been used for drug payments to Samuel Miranda, and these drug payments have been made by Souvik Chakrabarti to Samuel and Riya. Riya's credit card has been used, which makes Riya part of this entire drug syndicate that was operating. We know that there are 12 transactions, and Riya Chakrabarti's credit cards have been used, and this brings in Riya Chakrabarti back firmly into the middle of this entire drug transaction. And remember, I don't want to say this again, but Times Now was the first channel to bring you the drug chat, which was the core of the investigation on which this entire case rests. Who were these drugs used by? Who were they given to? Were they also given to Sushant Singh Rajput? Was this one of the angles for the criminal, unnatural death of Sushant Singh Rajput? Those are the dots the CBI will connect. But as far as this is concerned, we're giving you three big breaking news. Souvik and Samuel Miranda arrested, digital connections of 12 transactions traced, and Riya Chakrabarti's credit cards were used. In fact, 23 GB of data still lying with investigation agencies, and they are analyzing these data records once they can trace more people as part of this entire drug cartel, drug syndicate operating from Sushant Singh Rajput's house by Riya Chakrabarti, Souvik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda. Let me get in our reporters this evening. Tamal, Siddhant and Mohit joining me live from Mumbai. Tamal, to you first. Riya Chakrabarti has been using her credit card. Does this now mean that the Narcotics Control Bureau is going to turn its attention to Riya Chakrabarti next?
Well, absolutely, Navika. In fact, this is the same corridor that was taken by Souvik Chakrabarti this morning. He has now been arrested. Now the wait is for Riya Chakrabarti to be summoned, and she too will be brought down to the same NCB office. It has certainly not been a good Friday for Souvik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda. Yes, we are learning from our sources that Souvik Chakrabarti, during the course of the interrogation, has made this sensational disclosure while dropping the name of Riya Chakrabarti. How Souvik Chakrabarti used to use Darknet for digital transactions in order to avoid any digital footprint. But after this morning's raid, Souvik Chakrabarti's tab was seized by NCB, and after having decoded with the help of forensics, they have managed to find the digital footprint over Darknet, as how Souvik Chakrabarti had been in constant touch with this syndicate and had been doing these dealings, even made payment to Samuel Miranda and other syndicate members using Riya Chakrabarti's credit card, which means Riya Chakrabarti's culpability, Riya Chakrabarti's involvement is now pretty much established. We know that Rhea Chakraborty so far has denied any involvement, but the family of Sushant Singh Rajput all along has maintained that Rhea Chakraborty and her connivance people had been drugging Sushant Singh Rajput. So now when Rhea Chakraborty's name has been dropped, and how Souvik Chakraborty has admitted that Rhea Chakraborty's credit card was used for digital transaction, made payments to Samuel Miranda, to others. In fact, we have also learned that Souvik Chakraborty used to deal with cash. Now, this cash money given to Zaid Viltara, where did this come from? And most importantly, did Souvik Chakraborty use his proximity to Sushant Singh Rajput to ensure that Zaid Viltara, Basit Parihar and people like Samuel Miranda get access to the inner circle of Bollywood for the nefarious business of drug transaction and drug peddling? The very fact that Rhea Chakraborty's credit card has been used makes it quite evident that NCB will now be calling her for questioning. And we are also learning that the FIRs which have now been filed has also named Rhea Chakraborty purely because Rhea Chakraborty's name has been dropped by Souvik Chakraborty. Evidence suggests that Souvik Chakraborty had used Rhea Chakraborty's
Kamal,
credit
let me
card
also
for
get in
transactions.
Siddhant on this big breaking story. Siddhant, we understand Souvik and Samuel tried to avoid answering some questions in the beginning, but then they were confronted with each other when they actually confessed to the fact that there were transactions, the digital records do exist, and now it's also being confirmed that Rhea Chakraborty's credit card was used for these payments. So the spotlight now turns to Rhea Chakraborty. Siddhant?
Well, absolutely, Navika, it was your news break. I still remember for the first time you got this in public domain, that how the drugs were being smuggled, how these people were involved in drug peddling. You got all those chats in public domain. And now today you see Souvik Chakraborty has been arrested. He is inside this building where I'm reporting from. This is Narcotics Control Bureau's office in Mumbai, along with Samuel Miranda. The news is tightening around Rhea Chakraborty because her credit card was used for the payments first. Second, Navika, this I can confirm for our viewers that Souvik has named Rhea Chakraborty during an interrogation. Agency also wants to call in Rhea Chakraborty to ascertain certain facts because during the course of an investigation, her name has come up. At the same time, Samuel Miranda has also confessed that he was somebody who was procuring drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput's house. So the entire cartel has been exposed. We have also been told, Navika, along with Rhea, several other names have also been given by these two fellows to the agency, and those people are also likely to be summoned by the agency. Back to you.
Well, big breaking news, and I must compliment our team in Mumbai, Tamal, Siddhant, Mohit, Priyank, who was there last week. All of them, ladies and gentlemen, have been camping there for the last 2 months, trying to get you details of every single twist and turn in this case. And Mohit, I want to ask you, any information yet on when Rhea is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Bureau?
Well, Navika, one thing that we can tell you for certain is the fact that, the kind of disclosures which have been made by Chakraborty have been rather startling. He has admitted to the fact that, he was procuring for his sister as well, Rhea Chakraborty. And now, the next move of NCB would be really to get hold of Rhea Chakraborty as well. There have been certain incriminating evidence in which it is very clear that Rhea Chakraborty was very well involved in all this drug nexus as well. Certain drugs were procured for her as well. Now, as a matter of fact, the only thing that remains right now is whether or not the rest of them, and we're talking about Zaid Vilatra, we're talking about Basit Parihar, we're talking about Samuel Miranda, were they also connected directly with the Rhea Chakraborty? At the same time, the NCB is also trying to figure out what exactly was their modus operandi, what exactly were the kind of operation that they were carrying out, and more importantly, as brought out to our viewers by you, the digital footprint has been the most crucial evidence when it comes to really taking this entire nexus down. The arresting that has been made has been largely dependent on the digital footprint, whether we talk about chats which have come to the fore, especially the chats that you brought for our viewers on Times Now, or for that matter the kind of transactions which have been made through digital channels, digital platforms. All of those have compiled for that evidence which was needed by the NCB, and now really the news is tightening.
Clearly, all eyes
arrest
now on Rhea Chakraborty and how soon she is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. We understand that Souvik and Samuel Miranda will be produced before the court tomorrow, and it will be sometime next week that Rhea Chakraborty will be summoned after detailed custodial interrogation of both Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakraborty to ascertain details of how many more people were part of this drug syndicate. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, sections 20B, 28, 29 and 27A of the NDPS Act have now been imposed on both Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakraborty, and section 27 is an unbailable offence. Clearly, these two people are going to be in jail for a long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news hour is just one. Is it end game for Rhea Chakraborty? Is Rhea's arrest imminent now? Clearly, her credit card being used for these transactions can't allow her to escape for very long. Rhea endgame, that's the hashtag and the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
For all those who were asking us questions of why we are putting out private chats in public domain, why are we bringing out all of these details, why are we vilifying Rhea Chakraborty and Souvik Chakraborty, why are we tarnishing their image? I want to ask them tonight, is this now not proven? Should not the drug chats have been put in public domain? Would it not have been for us who put out those drug chats in public domain? I want to ask Ishkaran Bhandari, would we have seen these arrests happening this evening on Friday night on the 4th of September? We put out these chats last week, and since then it has been the basis of every investigation over the last 8 days. And Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you, all those who have vilified us for creating a media trial, all those who have said the media should have been gagged, and media is responsible for attacking the privacy of these individuals, the Chakraborty, especially Rhea Chakraborty, who's a darling of a certain lobby. I want to ask you, Ishkaran, tonight, have we been vindicated? On Times Now, many channels have covered this story, but Times Now was the first channel to bring you the drugs and the Rhea Chakraborty, Souvik Chakraborty connection in this entire unnatural death of Sushant Singh Rajput.
नाविका जी, दिल की बात तो हिंदी में निकलती है. If you allow me to use a Hindi line, जिसने टाइम्स नाउ पे आपकी ड्रग चैट एक्सप्लोर करने पे, and I was also there on the first program, को चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब के मर जाना चाहिए. There is nothing I can say in English. चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब के मर जाओ, जिसने भी ऑब्जेक्ट किया था. But the sad reality is they will not, because they have all done a PhD in Besharmi. Your drug chats have broken the scale, and I made this point time and time again. Al Capone, a famous gangster of US, the biggest gangster, was caught in a tax evasion case. Now these drug chats will lead to custodial interrogation, and I'm sure you will keep breaking what all would come out of that, which would fundamentally, don't interrupt. The entire world has seen what you were doing, so please keep quiet. Navika, what would come out now?
संजय गुप्ता जी, हिंदी में कहावत है, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. उन्होंने आपसे कहा तो नहीं था, लेकिन अगर आप डूबना चाहते हैं चुल्लू भर पानी में, तो आपको कौन रोक सकता है? कौन रोक सकता है आपको?
चुल्लू भर पानी में तो नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के अफसर डूबे या बीजेपी के वो नेता डूबे, जिनका नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट पहले काम नहीं कर रहा था. मतलब कोई बड़ी दुर्घटना घटने का इंतजार कर रहे थे, किसी बड़ी दुर्घटना घटने का इंतजार कर रहा था नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट.
Well, Sanjay Gupta and Ishkaran on the screen.
Can you please lower it, I want to finish the point. One thing is very clear.
क्या ये नार्कोटिक्स
अगर
डिपार्टमेंट आज ही बना?
All right, big breaking news coming in. Riya Chakrabarti will be summoned on Sunday. Tomorrow, Shouvik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda will be produced in court, and on Sunday, Miss Riya Chakrabarti will have to present herself before the Narcotics Control Bureau after 5 days of questioning with the CBI. It's her date with the Narcotics Control Bureau. Well, it's all happening, and Ishkaran Bhandari, you know, I want to ask you this question. Can anyone now say that these are not evidences and these are private chat, evidence involved in a crime? Can they be called private property and private space of any individual?
Navika, the reality is what investigation is all about. Understand journalism, to expect them to understand investigative journalism is to ask for the moon. The reality is that you have been vindicated. Everybody fighting for justice in this case, everybody who was mocked and said that there would be no justice in this case stands vindicated because arrests have started to happen. And who knows how far the arrest would go. One thing I would like to say, what you are breaking today, that credit cards were used for making payment and those credit cards belong to Riya, then the logical conclusion is, the logical next step would be that you might very soon break the news of her winning legal cover, because that's the logical conclusion. If you are buying with the card of somebody legally, that has the consequence of that person being a co-conspirator, and that would stand established. So the logical consequence of her credit card being used would come to the fore, and I would not be surprised to have a debate on that.
I am confirming to you. I don't bring you half-baked news. I am confirming to you that Riya Chakrabarti's credit card was used to make payments. There are digital records and digital evidences on the basis of which the arrests have taken place today. And Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to get you in with Sanjay Gupta, because Sanjay Gupta ji को आज बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, और शायद डॉक्टर की भी जरूरत हो उन्हें, क्योंकि इतना दर्द हो रहा है. प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस इनको लेनी आती हैं, तो प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस के लिए किनको कांटेक्ट करना है, इन्हें बता दें जरा.
पक्षपात नहीं होना चाहिए.
ऐसा है नाविका जी, मेरे अच्छे मित्र, अरे संजय देखिए, एक संजय की मैंने पोल 2 दिन पहले खोली है, दूसरे संजय की पोल मत खुलवाइए.
नहीं होना चाहिए
नाविका, एक संजय का ट्रीटमेंट हो चुका है, अब बाकी संजयों का भी ट्रीटमेंट बाकी है. महाराष्ट्र का भी एक संजय और ये दूसरा संजय. नाविका, अब इनका फेडर थोड़ा डाउन करना पड़ेगा, वरना मेरी आवाज
नहीं. संजय गुप्ता, एक मिनट शहजाद, मैं आपके पास आ रही हूँ, पर संजय गुप्ता जी आपकी क्या पीड़ा है, मैं पक्षपात नहीं करूंगी, आपकी पीड़ा जो है आप उसे एक्सप्रेस करिए, व्यक्त करिए अपनी पीड़ा को, कि किस बात की आज आपको पीड़ा हो रही है. शौविक चक्रवर्ती के जेल जाने की पीड़ा हो रही है, या आपको सैमुअल मिरांडा के जेल जाने की पीड़ा हो रही है, या रिया को जो संडे को बुलाया गया है उसकी पीड़ा हो रही है, या जो क्रेडिट कार्ड से ड्रग्स की पेमेंट्स करते हैं उनकी दिमाग कहाँ रहता है, उसकी पीड़ा हो रही है.
उनकी पीड़ा हो रही है.
बता देता हूँ किस चीज की पीड़ा हो रही है.
कोई युवा नेता फंसेगा, उसकी पीड़ा हो रही है. महाराष्ट्र सरकार की छिछलादार हो रही है, उसकी पीड़ा हो रही है. उद्धव ठाकरे की मुंबई पुलिस ने कुछ नहीं किया, उसकी पीड़ा हो रही है.
इस चीज की पीड़ा है.
किसकी पीड़ा हो रही है?
नार्कोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट
किसकी हो रही है?
पहले इसने काम किया होता तो आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिंदा होते.
एक बार बोलने का मौका.
अरे वाह क्या बात कही आपने संजय गुप्ता जी. नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट अगर पहले से काम करते तो आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिंदा होते. अगर मुंबई पुलिस पहले काम कर लेती फरवरी में, तो भी आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिंदा होते. वो गलती तो आपने कभी मानी नहीं है आज तक. और आज बल्कि होम मिनिस्टर जो है महाराष्ट्र के, वो बाहर आकर कहते हैं कि we will support the petition that is in the Bombay High Court where media should be gagged. I want to ask you, now I'm going to lower your fader, Sanjay Gupta ji. Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to ask you, all those who pointed fingers at me, I'm saying this, I was ridiculed by a certain liberal lobby, a certain, group of people who thought this was terrible journalism that was being done.
Yeah.
Private chats of individuals were being put in public domain, and a woman was being vilified before she's been declared guilty. A media trial was being conducted. I want to ask you, Shehzad Poonawalla, was there anything wrong in putting out the chats which were the evidence towards a crime?
Okay. So Navika, I request Times Now to continue to fade them down for 30 seconds and I'll finish my points in 30 seconds. First, Navika, today my good friend Ishkaran Bhandari and you should actually get a sense of vindication, and the right phrase to use, Ishkaran, would be सत्य पराजित नहीं होता, परेशान किया जा सकता है और अंत में न्याय की ही जीत होती है. Navika, today it is not just Riya endgame. Today it is the endgame of the drug mafia that is being protected by the Mumbai police and Maharashtra government. And why? Because another Neta is being protected by the Mumbai police and Maharashtra government. Today it is endgame to the lies that have been perpetrated by a certain section of the media. Today it is endgame by those who in the name of journalism did a PR interview. Today it is endgame for those who continue to bury the truth for 70 days. Today it is endgame for those. You know what? Times Now can continue. You know, this is not the way. I cannot continue if I can't be allowed.
No, Sanjay Gupta ji, ये बीच में ऐसे चूंटी मत मारिए. रुक जाइए, आपका समय आएगा, आपको भी समय मिलेगा. I'm lowering his fader. Shehzad, complete your point.
Yeah, Navika, the point I was trying to complete, and you know, it is utterly disgraceful that these people did nothing for 70 days. Today they have the gall to ask, what did NCP do? What did the CBI do? They do not come and ask that what did the Mumbai police do? This was happening under the nose of the Mumbai police. Navika, two women have been vilified by this entire lobby. One, Kangana Ranaut, by the likes of Sanjay Raut and Anil Deshmukh, and two, Navika Kumar, simply because they had the guts to put out the drug link, and that drug link leads to a larger Bollywood political aghadi, and therefore these two women have been vilified by those who are saying that Riya has been vilified by the media. But she has been accused, number one. The entire drug nexus has been exposed, and I congratulate these two women.
Well, MC Abbas, I want to ask you today, are all those silenced who had questioned why we were naming Riya in the first place? I want to ask you, MC Abbas.
Okay, Navika ji, firstly, let me quickly respond to the panelists. I didn't have time. Mr. Shehzad Poonawalla, public ko roz chuna lagana band karo. The one woman who's been vilified is Riya Chakraborty. Second point, let me tell you, sir, what is your problem? Has the verdict come? Why do you suffer from premature conclusion?
See, I don't want to get into a debate where I start elaborating what MC stands for in your name, please.
उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. अरे कुछ तो शर्म करो यार. रोज रिया को आप ड्रगी बुलाते हो. रोज.
See, I understand their pain. Shovik is in. The drug mafia is being exposed. Riya will also go in. So I understand the likes of MC, Sanjay Gupta, Sanjay Raut, Anil Deshmukh, all of them resorting to all kinds of slander campaigns against me. Please abuse me. Please abuse Times Now. Abuse Kangana Ranaut. Abuse Navika Kumar. MC, आप MC जो बोलना है बोलते रहिए. As long as truth is prevailing for the millions of fans of Sushant, as long as truth is prevailing, Satyamev Jayate is happening, Sushant's father is getting nyay, please call me Poonawalla. I am happy you call me Poonawalla, but ask, why did Mumbai police not investigate?
Mr. MC Abbas, that's exactly what your lobby wants to do. You want to make us all gagged? You want to zip us up? You want us to put our fingers on our lips? We will not. Because the truth has a way of coming out. The truth comes out when we put out the evidence. You had a problem with the evidence. Today, you see we have been vilified. Shovik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda, the two main people whose chats I showed you on day one. And the chats were with Riya Chakraborty. Today, the Narcotics Control Bureau has said that Riya Chakraborty's credit card was used for these payments. And if this is the fact, then clearly when she's being summoned on Sunday, she's not going to be garlanded. She's not going to be garlanded at all. And I क्या हो गया रवि श्रीवास्तव जी? रवि श्रीवास्तव जी क्या हो गया? आप तो जस्टिस के लिए लड़ते थे, अब आपको सूट नहीं करता जस्टिस?
Calm down. इतनी उत्तेजित मत होइए रवि जी. कहीं कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट को ना बुलाना पड़े. Please calm down. I am worried for your health.
No, you are saying the truth is not acceptable. Rahul Narvekar, MLA of the BJP, Rahul Narvekar, I want to ask you. You are a lawmaker, and I want to ask you, Rahul Narvekar, tonight. I want to ask you, when I put out those drug chats in the public domain, I was vilified. वो इनको नहीं नजर आया. They did not think about this woman being vilified for putting out the drug chats, for putting out evidence after evidence after evidence. I had to put out. And I'm telling you this, I had to put out even the photographs that the family had clicked of Sushant Singh Rajput, because that was also evidence. Normally, I had apologized to my viewers that normally this kind of stuff is not put on air, but in this case, it's evidence that can make the difference between a suicide or a homicide case. So Rahul Narvekar, I want to ask you, इनको रिया की विलिफिकेशन नजर आती है, इनको हमारी विलिफिकेशन नजर नहीं आती जब हमारे को इन्होंने रोज गालियां दी थी ये कहने के लिए that we are making this into sensational news only for TRPs. I want to ask you tonight.
And the CBI are together investigating the cases.
Navika,
very wonderful way of investigation. Media in cohort with the.
Calm down. Rahul Narvekar.
Are you not happy that
if everyone is done with expressing themselves, I would request you all to keep quiet. Just for a couple of minutes.
Please allow Rahul Narvekar to make his point, and I'm coming across to each one of you. Rahul.
But these people are so upset that a drug nexus guy has gone to jail. I don't understand.
Let me tell you, like I have said it earlier, in this entire controversy and in this entire case, media seems to have led the investigation in the right way, and every time the media and of course Times Now, after they put out facts and after they put out evidences and after they put out reports, it was the investigating agency following up on these leads given by the media. So as always in this country, the media has truly stood as the fourth pillar of our democracy.
So the
they have led from the front. They have worked relentlessly to ensure that justice is met. Having said that, let me tell you that this aspect about narcotics, about drugs being involved in this case.
So MC Abbas, go to that channel. You know, you can't question us based on some bad behavior of another channel. Ask us about stuff we have done here. I was questioned on putting out the drug chats. I want you to stick to that point, okay? Don't bring other channels' dirty linen to be washed here. Okay.
Navika, my question.
1 minute. Rahul Narvekar is completing his point. Calm down.
A fact which has. My question is to the Mumbai police and the government of Maharashtra. The fact about drugs being involved was brought out by the media. The CBI and the Narcotics Bureau has come down heavily. They have got this matter out. Why was Mumbai police keeping quiet on this matter for the last 70 days while they were inquiring this issue? Did they find the use of drugs and narcotics to be a compoundable offense?
Do they
think this is so simple? Do they think that it is not important in public order and for the law and order situation in the city? And therefore, I think the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government have a lot to explain why they have remained mum and quiet with regards to this aspect of the case.
Let me take that question to Mr. D.K. Rai. Mr. D.K. Rai, can you contest the fact? Can you contest the fact that the Mumbai police, in 45 minutes of finding Sushant Singh Rajput's dead body, had declared that this was a suicide? File closed. Even the crime scene was violated. Even suicide is a crime in this country, yet the crime scene was violated. The post-mortem was not videographed from what we understand, and the post-mortem report did not have a time of death. And the Mumbai police had a fashion parade of big producers lining up outside Bandra without an FIR being filed for 65 days. And nobody in the house who spent the last days with Sushant Singh Rajput, the dramatis personae, Samuel Miranda, Riya Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti, they were not questioned. They were called, sign kariye aur jaiye. I want to ask you, DK Rai, today should the Mumbai police, instead of going to court through its proxies, the former police commissioners, to gag the media, should it not come out and apologize to the people of India for not doing the duty they should have been doing?
Ma'am, whatever you are saying about the Mumbai police, I will be very fair to you. That is very fine. Mumbai police just failed in everything. Now the question starts, Mumbai police failed, CBI and media both jointly took investigation into their hand. A forum has been provided to the specific class of people and family, where each and every family members comes, takes their story to the media, and the one parliamentarian who 2 days back on your channel itself said, I am thankful to the Prime Minister to whom I had a chat, and then he said, okay, we will go for the NCB investigation. What the hell is happening in this country?
What the hell?
Prime Minister, he is interfering
No, if drugs are involved, and the Mumbai police is not looking at it, who do you want to look into it? Do you want the municipal corporation of Delhi to look into it? Do you want BMC to look into it? Who should be investigating if there are drugs involved? Please advise me. You are an advocate. मुझे बता दो, if there are narcotics involved, MR Venkatesh, the ED is the first organization which confiscated the digital equipment from Riya's phones to computers to Sushant Singh Rajput's computers, and took these digital dumps from which all these investigations are coming out. Then they handed it over to the Narcotics Control Bureau, to the CBI. What do they expect? What do they expect?
Absolutely.
When a multi-agency probe is going on? Who do they want to give this probe to? Do they want to give it to ITBP? Do they want to give it to the Indian Army? किसको देना चाहते हैं? क्या BMC को देना चाहते हैं?
Yes, NCB.
I hope they don't give it.
Yes,
I hope
NCB
they don't give it. I hope
that
that
Mumbai, the central office, do not trust their local officers. This is the malafide I am stating to you.
Okay,
sir, they had an opportunity for 65 days.
So,
if they wanted, they could have investigated into the entire affair. They could have caught the drug angle. They did not even send the Sushant Singh Rajput phone for forensic analysis for 24 days. Don't give me this. If the media hadn't raised its voice and hadn't brought out the smoking guns of evidence, we wouldn't have been here today. And MR Venkatesh, I want to tell you, these people want to gag us. Is it justified in a democracy to gag anybody? These lobbyists who carry the flag of freedom of speech?
Case, it happened.
Navika ji, these people will go on. Can you just lower down the feeder? Because, we don't want to...
No, MR Venkatesh, make your point. Mr. DK Jain, please.
Listen. Mr. Jain, listen. The point is, but for the decisive intervention by you and your channel and the way you have brought it out, this case would have meandered, and sitting in distant Chennai, we all thought this was a classic case of suicide. But your relentless campaign and the manner in which you have marshaled and brought out the evidences and the manner in which your team has gone about meticulously, I think hats off to you. This will be a classical case in which the media has led the investigating agencies and has brought certain facts, startling facts at that. And that is why today the Titanic has hit the iceberg. Now, Riya Chakravarti, Miranda are all pawns. I'm not interested.
Within an hour, हम formal communication नहीं कर देंगे कि उन्हें बता दिया गया। यही correct है। Fiction बताएं सर, fiction बताएं सर, fiction। हाँ, थोड़ा arrest करने के बाद उसे कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है। तो भी कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है। किस सेक्शन में गिरफ्तार किया गया है? सेक्शन। रिया को कब बुलाएंगे? इनकी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो हुई थी वो सेक्शन 20D and 28, 29 and 27 में that case they have been arrested to ये section. रिया को कब बुलाया जाएगा?
शांति.
Silence, please. This is the last one. As far as investigation is concerned, the decision will be taken. No decision so far, so kindly don't speculate. That's my answer.
रिया के खिलाफ सबूत है
So you are confirming the arrest of Shobhit Chakraborty and confirming the arrest of
सर रिया के खिलाफ सबूत है सर. रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है रिया गिरफ्तार होगी. सर रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है रिया गिरफ्तार होगी.
ये जानकारी मिल रही है कि अब
सर इधर पॉसिबिलिटी हमारा तो आप देख रहे हैं.
I'm sorry, MR Venkatesh, we had to interrupt you there because the official of Narcotics Control Bureau came out and said that in 1 hour the formal arrest will be shown. Of course, he's been tight-lipped about summons being issued to Riya. But carry on.
Yeah. So, Navika ji, I was trying to impress upon this audience that, look, we are now, the Titanic has hit the iceberg and Riya and Fernandez and others are not the main people. The main players are people who strut around Bombay, who are the celebrities of Bombay, the high police force of Bombay, the industrialists of Bombay, the certain sections of the media, certain sections of even the lawyer community are all involved in this racket. So everybody knows it, but nobody had any clinching evidences. So today, the worry of all these people is that the chickens will come home to roost. That is why there is panic all around. That is why Riya has to be defended at all costs because she is a pawn. But if you break the pawn, the first line of defense is broken. Then you do not know when which dam will give away. And that is why you see palpable panic in your own channel where panic has set in. Panelists after panelists are defending Riya. It is not that they have any great concern about Riya, but they know that the progress of this probe will not stop with Riya. If it comes up to Riya, it definitely can come into several doorsteps of the elites of Bombay. And that is the worry, and that is why there is even a concerted attack on you, Navika, on Kangana Ranaut, and people who are exposing this in several other channels. That is why there is a concerted action. And that is why this lobby has got together. That is why this lobby seems to have come together for a simple reason that it is no longer endgame Riya, it is endgame Bollywood carton.
Well, MC Abbas, which part do you not agree with?
The whole part, ma'am, the whole part. MR Venkateshana, one small question from Bangalore boy is asking you, sir. What if CBI concludes that it is a suicide like Mumbai police? Will you apologize?
I will, sir. Sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, Chulu. No, 1 minute. You ask the question, I'll tell you. Sir, अभी तक बॉम्बे आफ्टर बॉम्बे पुलिस चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरेगी ना कि उसने कुछ नहीं बाल बिगाड़ा है, अभी तक उसने कुछ नहीं किया है. अभी ड्रग का एंगल आ गया है. जब परमवीर सिंह चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरेंगे, उसके बाद उसी चुल्लू भर पानी में मैं जाकर डूब मरूंगा. ठीक है, तो पहले परमवीर को डुबाइए, फिर देखते हैं.
No, now the goalposts have changed. Shehzad Poonawala, I want to ask you, Shehzad Poonawala, now the goalpost has changed. First they were saying there is no wrongdoing. Now Shobhit Chakraborty has been arrested and the spotlight now shifts to Riya Chakraborty. So they are saying, CBI might say that she is not a murderer. This was a suicide. She had nothing to do with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Then will you apologize? आप चुल्लू भर पानी में डूबोगे. ये रिया का डिफेंस रिंग रिया को बचा रहा है या as MR Venkatesh says that there is a puppet here and these were just the puppets.
सत्यमेव जयते, सच को बचा रहा है, सच को बचाएंगे.
Can I not be interrupted without speaking for 10 seconds? These people. क्या करें, कैसे बात करें? आज बात करने का मुझे लगता है कि आज एक्शन इतना हो चुका है कि बात करने नहीं देना चाह रहे हैं।
अरे शहजाद पूनावाला बोलिए ना,
बहुत शुक्रिया,
बोलिए।
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा,
रिएक्शन नहीं हो रहा है आपका।
नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है कि आज जैसे मैं बोलना शुरू करता हूं तो ये इनकी आवाज आप कर दी जाती है। एनीवेज, मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि रिया तूने क्या किया, शौविक जेल को गया तो यहाँ पर लोग कर रहे ताता थैया, समझ में नहीं आ रहा इनको कि भाई रिया चक्रवर्ती ने इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मैंने तो कभी
बंद करो, बहुत हो गया, सच्ची बात करो, झूठ क्यों फैला रहे हो? आपको कौन पपेट?
ऐसा है नाविका जी, मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि द एक्शन हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड। आप आज
ऑलराइट एमसी अब्बास, स्टॉप हेकलिंग, स्टॉप हेकलिंग, one minute, I need to take a break, but Shehzad Poonawalla is completing his point. I request MC Abbas not to interrupt. Shehzad Poonawalla, to window.
No, I'm just saying that today Riya Chakravarti had said that she had done nothing wrong. She had never taken drugs. She had said that she was ready for a blood test. So today her brother has gone to jail. Tomorrow it might be Riya next. Was Riya being protected because an entire drugs lobby had to be protected? I am very happy the actions speak louder than words. Keep abusing Navika Kumar, Shehzad Poonawalla and Kangana Ranaut. Mr. MC Abbas, please abuse karte rahiye. I want you to abuse. I want your frustration to be projected, that how you're so frustrated that Riya and her lies are crumbling and Sushant's family and truth is winning. Please abuse. Mr. Abbas, please abuse. Abuse more. No, abuse more. More, abuse more. Abuse more.
मिस्टर चूनावाला, पब्लिक को चूना लगाना बंद करो, बस करो।
No, I don't understand. I don't understand why some people who have always stood question me, question Times Now, question Riya, questioned our investigations only to protect Riya Chakravarti. Why are today they so agitated? So agitated because there are arrests and Riya endgame has just begun. We'll take a short break. When I come back, the next biggest critic of the drug chats being made public, Tehseen Poonawalla, will have a few questions to answer to me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and Tehseen Poonawalla, I want to ask you tonight. I want to ask you if the drug chats were bad, if the chats where Samuel Miranda, Jaya Shah, Shruti Modi, Shouvik Chakravarti, Riya Chakravarti were all sourcing doobies, boom, various kind of drugs and also, recipes were being shared of how many drops can be put in tea and coffee and how many times a day it can be given to Sushant Singh Rajput. Are these private chats or are these evidence in a crime? Was I exposing private chat and attacking people's privacy, or was I leading to evidence in a crime that has been committed? I want to ask you tonight, Tehseen Poonawalla, all those who said that Riya Chakravarti was being vilified. What about the vilification of another woman? Myself. And my journalism being attacked. Is that not vilification?
Namaskar, ma'am. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. And you are one of the few people I look up to. So, of course, whatever, kudos to you that you've exposed this. I just want to be very brief. Yes, ma'am, the drugs nexus is something that needs to be looked after. I mean, I'm quoting Economic Times, June 5, 2006. Such mistakes happen at a young age, said Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee about Rahul Majan's alleged drug use. So drugs, political mafia has to be exposed in Times of India, and people like you are doing that. So congratulations. But then we've had Prime Ministers who have said allegedly that these are mistakes that happen at a young age. I just want to end by a very brief point, ma'am. 5 months my state of Maharashtra has been down. That means these drugs have come before the lockdown, and before that was Fadnavis's government. Just have Fadnavis and his government also investigated. It's a limited request that I'm making. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, and congratulations.
Well, Tehseen Poonawalla, have you suddenly become economical with the truth? Would you like to say a few sentences? May I invite you to say a few sentences about the role of the Maharashtra government and the role of the Mumbai police? Very humbly, would you today speak the truth on that? And I will say, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind, and Jai Tehseen Poonawalla.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Don't you have to say Jay to me. But it is the Mumbai police and it is Mumbai that my family, Shehzad, is here. We fought to have Mumbai as a part of Maharashtra because we knew that, there were forces from some states like Gujarat that wanted to take Mumbai away. So we respect Mumbai police. It's the best police force in the country and the second best police force in the world. And I stand by it until my last breath. If there's somebody I want to protect me, it would be the Mumbai police. If there's somebody I want to investigate,
and if you want somebody to catch the foul play possibly in the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, will we have to contact another force? Because the Mumbai police could not find any of the evidence that has come out today. No drug chats, nobody questioned, no drugs, no financial details, no problems. They didn't even attend to the complaint made by the family. For that, do we need to now contact United Kingdom and the real Scotland Yard?
No, the problem with that, ma'am, is that, we've had prime ministers like Atal Bihari Vajpayee who protected drug users. As I quoted Economic Times.
चलो आज आपने मोदी जी को छोड़ दिया और आज आप वाजपेयी जी पे चले गए.
मैं मोदी जी पे भी बोल रहा हूँ. ये ड्रग्स कहाँ से आते हैं इस मुल्क में? Border
ashamed of himself.
Why is Modi ji not talking about it? It comes from the border.
Shehzad Poonawala.
Navika, more than saying Jai Maharashtra, today is a day to say Satyamev Jayate. 1 second. Now let me please have a say of 30 seconds here on the show. So today, more than saying Jai Maharashtra, it should be Satyamev Jayate. For so many days, for 70 days, you had the Mumbai police, which could not do half the investigation what Times Now did, what the Narcotics Bureau did in the last 10 days, or the CBI did in the last 15 days, and here you come and say that the Mumbai police is the world's best police. Of course it is the world's best police, but it is functioning under the world's worst CM. And therefore, the Mumbai police, which could ordinarily find out all these drug nexus and drug links, was prevented from finding out the truth. And therefore, Tehseen Poonawala, today you should say Jai Maharashtra after asking the questions, who was protecting or preventing the Mumbai police from getting to the Shreya Shovik drug cartel? And why was it being done? It was being done so that the truth could not be unearthed about the political nexus, the political Bollywood aghadi that was in cohorts with this drug mafia. And today, when you stand up for the rights of Riya, and of course you should stand up for the rights of accused number 1 Riya, but ask about the rights of Kangana Ranaut, who has been abused in the name of Maharashtra versus outsiders, and Navika Kumar, who has been abused in the name of so-called media trial. Today asked that those Patrakars who did interviews with Riya Chakravarti, and she said, unfiltered, that I never took drugs, do my blood test. Today the entire drug racket has come out. Today ask those so-called journalists to come and say, why did you do a media trial on Sushant's Parivar? Why did you say that Sushant did not have good relations with his sisters? Why did you raise allegation against his family? Why did you say that Sushant Singh Rajput was crazy? Today you should come and apologize for all of that, sir. Then say Satyamev
Just one line answer.
And of course,
just one line answer. Just one line
answer. First we say Jai Hind. And Navika, Jai Hind. Kangana Ranaut, Jai Hind.
Just one line answer. I started with Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra because we think Hind comes first. But just my second part of the answer, I think the drug racket should be investigated. How do synthetic drugs enter India? Who controls the borders and airports? Therefore,
Rahul Narvekar, India has to be blamed. Vajpayee ji has to be blamed, Modi has to be blamed, Devendra Fadnavis has to be blamed, but certainly no blame on the Maharashtra government or the Mumbai police. Respond, Rahul Narvekar.
Navika, I think this Mr. Poonawala should save this drama of his for the courts of Sonia Gandhi, Vadra and Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and company. He should not bother to waste the time of the people and the public and the viewers of Times Now with his drama, because no one buys this. Number two, I don't think this person has the capacity or has the capability or has the worth of even taking Mr. Vajpayee's name, leave alone alleging baseless things. I mean, he has nothing else left. He has absolutely no defense left, and therefore he stoops to such low levels. Number three, we don't have any doubt in our mind, or no one in this state has a doubt in their mind, that Mumbai police force is one of the best police forces in the world. But it is your political pressure, it is your political weightage, which undue pressure on the Mumbai police force, which is making them compromise on their investigative skills. Whom are you trying to protect? Why is there no proper investigation
That is the big
done?
question.
Why are facts which are disclosed by the media
Who
not
is
being
the
investigated by
master
Mumbai
of
police?
all of these
Why are the
games?
facts
Who
which are
is
being
the
unearthed by
puppeteer
media?
who's pulling these puppets like Shovik Chakravarti and Riya Chakravarti? That is the big question. But ladies and gentlemen, I really want to thank people, viewers of Times Now tonight, because it is because of you that we get the courage, the conviction to follow the investigation, because we have your support. All those who want to bury the truth continue to put pressure on us, to gag us. They go to courts to bring orders to gag us so that we can't raise the questions. And I want to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, because it was your support that gave us the strength to bring out the truth in this case. And the truth rested on those chats that we showed to you night after night after night on the News Hour. The chats that brought the link of drugs to the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Night after night after night, we put the facts before you. These were not theories. These were facts that we were putting out, and no other channel was looking at this angle. And it is in this angle that Shovik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda today have been arrested. Riya has been summoned on Sunday. This is the beginning of the end game. And as they say, we always believe truth shall always win. Satyamev Jayate. And before I go, I want to leave you with the excerpt of my interview with a union minister. No union minister has spoken on the Sushant Singh Rajput case like this minister. R.K. Singh, Union Power Minister, hails from Bihar. And today, this excerpt will show you what is the real issue in the Sushant Singh Rajput mysterious death. Good night from me. Since then, there are many evidences which have come out. The drug cartel that exists, the bank details that have gone on between individuals who were staying with Sushant, their involvement in a drug cartel kind of thing. Also questions about the family sending a WhatsApp complaint to the Bandra DCP, it not being followed up at all for 4 months, leading to the death. But at this point, the family of Riya Chakravarti seems to be getting police protection. Okay, maybe the CBI asked for it. They could have done the same thing when the complaint came in from the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. But not even a constable, not even a phone call was made to Sushant Singh Rajput to find out whether there was a problem or not. Do you find this very strange?
Very strange in fact. And in fact, what this does show is that somehow or the other, this person, Riya Chakravarti, seems to have friends in high places. Otherwise, why would a whole government go out of its way to avoid a CBI inquiry? And why would a professional organization like the Mumbai Police, spend 60-65 days in questioning all and sundry, and not question those who were immediately living around Sushant or immediately around Sushant at the time and before that? And all these are questions which arise just by the very behavior of the reaction of the Maharashtra government and the Maharashtra police.